Australia, a country 11,000 kilometers away. Sometimes the greatest journeys begin with something as simple as love and a longing to hold family close again. For this South African couple, the trip to Brisbane was about one thing, and one thing only: to hold the hand of a grandchild again. The moment we stepped off the plane, our hearts full and eyes misty, nothing else mattered. But then, Australia began to reveal itself. The colors, the lights, the endless blue of the ocean brushing against the golden sands, the laughter echoing through the bustling streets and quiet parks, kangaroos at sunrise, city skylines glowing at dusk, and a land so vast and breathtaking it stirred something deep inside us. What began as a visit became a rediscovery, a reminder that the world is wider and more beautiful than they ever imagined, and that love, whether in South Africa or Australia, always finds a way to feel like home. Join us for this series on Australia from our viewpoint as we explore this incredible journey of family, wonder, and unexpected beauty through the eyes of two hearts that crossed the ocean for love and found magic waiting on the other side.
This is us leaving a very cold Centurion to go to Oandamba to catch our flight to Sydney, Australia. Here we come. Whoop, whoop. Yep, yep.
Wrapping the suitcases, handing over the car to Platinum, and we'll be on our way. Hi, finding you.
Good, thank you.
So cheers. Cheers.
As you're settling in, please place any large bags you have in the overhead lockers, and smaller bags may be placed under the seat in front of you.
You can undo your seatbelt by pressing the button or lifting the flap. Keep it.
We are moving.
The choice for meals on the aircraft is beef, chicken, or vegetarian. We flew with Qantas Airlines to Sydney on the QF64 flight. It's a non-stop flight from Joburg to Sydney and takes approximately 11 to 12 hours. The aircraft has a seating arrangement of 485 seats, divided into 4 classes: 14 first class, 70 business, 60 premium economy, and 341 economy seats. We sat in economy, and seats arrangement was 3, 4, 3. Some specification about the Airbus A380-800. Maximum takeoff weight is 560 tons. Wingspan 80 meters. Overall length 73 meters. Cabin width with main deck 6.5 meters. Cabin width upper deck 5.8 meters. The wing area is 845 square meters. Maximum fuel capacity 310,400 liters of fuel. Range with full payload 14,800 kilometers. Maximum payload 64,500 kilograms.
There's something almost unreal about this moment. After hours suspended above the clouds, the city of Sydney finally appears, glittering beneath the wing of the giant Airbus A380. Australia, land of endless coastlines, warm smiles and new beginnings. Through the window you catch the first glimpse, the curve of the harbour, the sparkle of the Pacific, and beyond it, a skyline kissed by sunlight. The world's largest passenger jet begins its graceful descent. Engines roar to life, flaps stretch wide, and the city grows larger. From 30,000 feet to the edge of adventure, this is where dreams touch down. A gentle jolt, a rush of air, and touchdown. Sydney Airport, you've arrived. The engines slow and travelers exhale, some smiling, some teary-eyed, and a little changed. Because every landing isn't just the end of a flight, it's the beginning of a story. Welcome to Sydney, where every journey finds its sparkle again.
Please help us create a safe, respectful and positive environment for everyone on board. Before you get underway, make sure all your bags are in the...
Your Qantas magazine is located in your seat pocket.